To begin, remove the waste ink pad. Remove this screw. It's a strange screw. You will need a flat screwdriver. Slide and remove the cover. Remove the waste ink container. It has a chip. A simple cleaning will not cancel the error message. Remove the back panel, pressing the 2 tabs. You can clean the paper feed roller with a cloth and water. Remove the support of the paper. Remove this screw. Unlock the support of the scanner unit. Open the scanner unit. Be careful, there are flat cables. Gently remove the 2 flat cables. Slide the scanner unit and remove it. When you will reassembly the printer, keep the scanner unit at around 30 degrees. Then, you have to insert this tab in this hole. And the other tab in the other hole. Place the printer in this position so that the cable does not get damaged. Remove the side panel. Push the 2 tabs on the bottom of the printer. Remove this screw. Remove the control panel. This is the main board. Detach the connector of the scanner unit. Remove the scanner unit. A side view of the printer for your reference. Remove this screw. Remove the other screw. This is the position of the cable. Detach the cable. There is adhesive. Remove the upper cover. Remove this screw. Here there is another screw. Remove the screw on the bottom of the printer. There are 2 hooks. Press them, then remove the side panel. A view of the printer for your reference. This is the network unit. You have to remove this screw. Remove these 2 screws. Another view of the printer. Remove this screw. Remove the other screw. Another screw here. Detach this flat cable. Remove the network card unit. This is the network board. Detach this connector. Remove the cable. Remove the supply unit. This is the power supply board. Take note of the position of the various components. Remove these two screws. Remove the Wi-Fi board. Under this board, there is another screw. Remove the support of the paper. This is the separation pad. You will find two metal springs. This is their position. Remove this screw. Remove the second screw. Detach the cables from the main board. Remove the paper sensor unit. This is a photosensor. It detects the presence of the sheet. It is connected with the main board. Remove all the cables of the main board. Remove this screw. Detach the last connectors. Remove the main board. This is the print head. There is no need to disassembly the printer to remove it. In the description, you will find a link to a video that explains how to remove the print head. If you need to remove the cartridge holder, in the description you will find a link to a video that explains how to remove it. To remove the control panel, remove the 4 screws. Remove this screw. Remove the cover. On the back of the control panel, there are 4 screws. Remove the back of the control panel. Detach the connector. Remove this screw. The control panel. This is the correct position of this part. To clean the ink sensor, remove this screw. Remove the metal cover. Remove this screw. This is the ink sensor. You can clean it with alcohol. The gears of the printer. To remove the main motor, remove the 2 screws. This is the main motor. It is connected with the main board. The sensor of the inkjet wheel. You can clean it with alcohol. This video ends here. I hope it was helpful to you.